So let's see how to use if condition in C program. So using if conditional statement in C program. Okay, so now let's include standard input output header file. Then write void main function. There only we are going to write our program. Okay, so write a C program to check whether your student is pass or not in C program subject test. Okay. Okay, so int C program marks we are going to accept. So C program marks equal to 23 out of 100. Okay, so use if statement. If C program marks, if it is greater than or equal to 40, okay, then we are going to print that the student is passed in C program test. Okay, so this is simple if conditional statement if you are going to use in your C program. So if within the if statement, if the condition is true, if you are going to execute only one statement, you no need to put building block like this. Okay, otherwise you have to put it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here we have given C program marks as 23. So that when we check if C program marks greater than or equal to 40, when we check this condition fails. So it will just print this will fail, so it won't print anything. Okay, so here the syntax for if condition is if condition you have to give within the square bracket and whatever the statement that you have to give within statement block and terminate with semicolon. Okay, this is the way how you can use if statement in your C program.